Hey guys, how are you doing today? In this video, I'm going to talk about step 1, buying an authority domain in seconds. Okay, now, but what is an authority domain? When I talk about domain authority, it's referring to the level of importance of that domain over the web. That is all about, like, how important is that domain online. That's all what I mean on domain authority. There are many websites online which assign like a score, like Moz.com is a website that assigns like a score from 1 to 100, and depending on the level, the highest the number, the highest the domain authority. So that's how they score. There are other ways to do it. Now, also there is some connection between that authority and also his price. You know that I don't know if you have searched online, and I don't know if you don't know how much, for example, Google.com, that domain alone worth thousands of dollars. I don't know if millions of dollars. The same with Facebook.com or Twitter.com. Those are domains, only the .com, the name to get online, only the name to get to visit that page has a price. For example, there are other domains, like for example, you can buy a domain, a new domain, it could be like $12. And also you can buy another domain that could be $50, $100, $5,000. So here in GoDaddy.com, options.godaddy.com, you can find the price about domains which are for sale. And these are authority domains. These domains have some kind of authority. And this, you can see these prices. Like if you want to buy this domain right here, younameit.com, you will need to pay $50,000 for that. You see? And there are all kinds of domains because these are domains with authority. Now, this is something really interesting, right? So this is just an example that those domains also have a pricing value assigned to them. Okay, now here, majestic.com is a similar website like Moz.com and also like other websites. Majestic maps the web to bring you the link intelligence data that you need to dominate your market. Other websites like Majestic, they analyze domains and URLs to see and also to assign like a authority to those domains. And they do so by the links pointing to that domain. For example, if you have a website and also someone else has a website and that other website likes a topic or a post you share in your website. So they, in their website, they add a link to your website. So that's called a backlink. So that website puts a link to your website and they have placed a backlink. Well, that action gives you authority and gives you trust. So that's why these companies like Majestic analyze millions and millions of links to see where they are pointing to, and also to see what other websites are pointing to that link. Okay, here in Majestic, you can take a look at this. I don't know if you have listened about the Majestic Million. Majestic have listed 1 million websites and they have analyzed all the links pointing to that website. They call it referring to subnets or referring APIs. This is the amount of links which many websites around the world are pointing to google.com. That's why Google has a huge authority, and that's why that domain worth thousands of dollars, if not millions. I don't know how much it's worth, but here you can see how many websites are pointing to google.com or to any other page inside google.com, and the same with Facebook. And you see they have done this for 1 million websites online. They have done this analysis and they have read it, and they And you see it here right now, like referring subnets and referring IPs. Okay, so in simple words, Majestic Million has done a great, huge amount of work to define those number of links, because those amount of links can give you the authority of that domain, that specific domain like you are seeing in this example. Okay, now look at what we have done here in Elevate. If you go to the domain finder, you will find the following. We have analyzed all those 1 million domains from the Majestic Million. This is a process that Elevate can do in just a few days. And we have given you 4,582 domains which are available for purchase. You see, this is a global rank according to Majestic Million. This is a domain name. This is a domain extension. This is the level, the ranking level of that domain extension. And these are the referring subnets and the number of referring IPs. And here you can see, you can click on the button and buy the domain. So we have made the analysis, and you see here there are thousands. Many of these, for example, you can sort by the number of referring APIs from low to high and high to low. You see this domain here has 14,481 IPAs. You see, and you are able to buy it right away if you want. Just only buy and clicking on the buy button now. So as you see, we have made a really huge amount of work here. So you can see among all those 1 million domains, check which one of those domains are available for purchase. Okay, now this is something really cool. You can do this here too. You can filter these. For example, if you want to look for domains that are only have the .com extension, you can do so like this. And for example, if you want to take a look at this one, shoppinginbreda.com, and you click on here and you want to buy it, you see it is available for $1. So it means you can buy it right away. But also we can see what is the real value for this domain. And for that, you can just copy it here. And here there is in GoDaddy.com, you can find this domain value appraisal, and you can just know how much your domain is worth and just get the value. You see, this domain it has a real value of $351, but you can purchase it for $11.99, as you can see, per year. This offer right here is you can pay it $1 per month, so it's the same for paying $12 per year. Your domains normally are charged per year basis. And then this is something really interesting because you can do that also with so many domains in here. And the beauty about this is that these domains have authority because all of the referring subnets and referring APIs you can see here, IPs you can see here. So for example, if you are planning to search, like to build any website, a digital marketing website, for example, maybe you would like to look for a domain which has the word agency on it. And there you have a few options. For example, this one, Independence Agency Survey, has a 1,000 IPs. Sejardagency.com, or this one here, sendrecruitmentagency.co.uk. You just need to go and check this, and also just try to buy them if you want. You see, this one is 9 cents per month. You can purchase it right away. And also this one is Verdana Field, that agency. And also if you want to look for any other particular topic or any other niche, you can do so. You can just filter with the word email and check if there are domains with this word inside of it. Or also you can look for anything related to marketing. There are two available in there. And use marketingsupportnetwork.org is another nice looking domain. And you just need to click here to buy it. And you see it is available. You see, so Elevate have saved you a great deal of work analyzing the majestic medium and to see which of those domains are available for purchasing right away. You don't have to wait. You don't have to pay $500 or $120, $50,000 or anything like that in order to find authority domains and purchasing them right away. For example, if there is a domain which is not available here, for example, here in the TK domains, I have noticed that GoDaddy doesn't have them for sale. You see, it's unavailable. You can go to 101domain.com and find there if they have this domain available. You know why? Because many domain registrars, they don't sell all of the domain extensions available. They are different providers. For example, here in this website, you can buy TK domains. So this is something for you to know. But any other popular domains, they are mostly available on GoDaddy and Namecheap and other websites. But this is a tool you can see and you can know the domain is available for purchase right away, and also that the domain has authority thanks to the analysis made by Majestic Medium. So this is all about the domain finder. We invite you to go and check for this domain, to search for a domain depending of the business model you want to register or to make, or depending if you want to do a digital marketing agency, well, you can just go ahead and look for a domain related to agency or a domain related to marketing, digital marketing, etc. So, well, that's all for now, guys. I hope you can enjoy this really awesome feature about finding domain authorities in just seconds and be able to purchase them. Just not wait or just pay someone else to try to buy the domain. No, these domains are available for purchase right away, and also they have authority thanks to Majestic Million analysis. In the next video, I'm going to show you step number 2, building an authority business website in minutes. See you there.